Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Place. I'm talking about AMC stock. Today, a new article came out by MarketWatch talking about AMC stock, and they mentioned that AMC stock today, Friday, January 26th, hit an all-time record low, and this is for the entire history of AMC. Okay, so it closed at $4.07, which would be, considering they took 90% of your shares, that would be equivalent to like 40 cents a share. So whatever if you own the stock and they took 90% of your shares, then, it says 407, but it's really like you're at like 40 cents. So, what do you do? That's the question. Do you wait for it to go lower? Will it go lower? Or do you just hold? Or do you buy more and cost average down? I personally think buying more and cost averaging down is a good idea, but I hit pause because I'm just not sure if the CEO is going to do another reverse split. He hasn't said that he wasn't going to, or that he was going to. So it's just hard to know. It's really just hard to know. And one of the reasons for him doing the previous reverse split is because he said that the price of AMC stock was too low. And at the time, I think it was at like $10 a share or something like that. And he was saying it was too low. And here we are at $4 a share. So, is he going to start that nonsense again? That's what I'm concerned about. Also, did we hit the bottom? Is this the bottom? Because we tested going below $4, but we never did, and we didn't close below $4. So maybe we're at the bottom. I don't know. So the article goes on to say that it had a series of record lows recently, and they traded though as high as 473 on Monday, and then it lost 10% on the week. So it didn't really gain anything. They also have two related articles that I personally covered in my channel as well. Worn out investors are contributing to AMC stock slide. I don't think that's true. And then they go on to say that the stock extended its losing streak 5 days on Friday, down 16 of the last 19 trading sessions. Wow. AMC stock is down 16 of the last 19 trading sessions. And the question is why? All the retail shareholders want answers. We're getting none. We get zero feedback from the AMC board. We get zero feedback from the CEO. And then when retail shareholders like myself that are very actively involved in the retail share community try to get on the AMC board, they won't even let me on the ballot. Why? Fear. F-E-A-R. They fear me. They fear justice. And they didn't want me on there. But that doesn't mean next year I can't make it happen, because I have a lawyer, and I can potentially get on the ballot next year. We'll see. I'm not sure if I want to do it, but we'll see. But anyways, let's see what it says here. The stock extended its losing streak to 5 days on Friday, right? So this is a far cry from the days of the meme stock frenzy when the company's shares hit an all-time closing high of $339 on June 2nd, 2021, which was really like $75-ish, but they're giving the higher price because of the reverse split. AMC's recent market performance reflects the demise of the movie theater chain's meme stock status. Earlier this week, AMC chief executive Adam Aron described the recent slide in the company's shares as painful and pointed to the lingering impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the movie theater industry. Really, Adam Aron, you're still using that tired excuse? The pandemic? When was that? Oh, 2019? I think it's been a while, hasn't it? I think everybody's out. They're working. They're going to movies. They're going to restaurants. C-19 is gone, dead, and over with, okay? It's gone. Nobody's even thinking about that, all right? And as far as box office performance, we're close to pre-pandemic levels. And the thing is, you can make money. You have to manage the business properly. You're paying too much for rent. You have made bad purchases. You invested $25 million into HYMC, Hycroft Mining, foolishly, and that's gone down significantly since you bought it. Also, you really are losing the support of retail shareholders. Imagine if you had our support and we were buying like crazy, like we were before. The stock would be going up easier. But, you don't really have our support. 90% of the AMC community does not support Adam Aron, all right? Let's see. AMC shares have fallen 91.6% in the last 52 weeks compared with the S&P 500 index gain of 20%. Can you believe that? So the S&P 500, which AMC is part of that, right? They're in it. The S&P gained 20% and AMC lost 91.6%. So that's what Market Watch is bringing out. How do we feel as investors about that? Something is going on that is not right. We all know it. We can all see it. We all want answers. We can't get answers. It just kind of shows you the divide between the elites and the common population. People like that aren't insiders, that, cannot get access to the truth. So it is frustrating, and we look for better days with AMC stock. We do. We really do. Adam Aron hasn't diluted lately, so that's good, I guess. But probably he'll do it soon. But what is he going to do? He's going to sell at $4, which is like a pre-split equivalent of like 40 cents, We'll see. We'll see what happens. Hit like, subscribe, add notifications, share the video with a friend. We're going to keep a close eye on AMC, but the news of the day today, on Friday, towards the end of January here, the 26th is January 26th, 2024. AMC hit an all-time low on its stock value, an all-time low. And the other thing that you combine that with is that the share float is about half of what it was. So the stock should be much, 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 much higher, but it's not. So we're going to see what happens. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.